once you publish your website, you will get this option over here. That is the publish options on the side of the publish button. So once you click on this, you get various publishing settings right here. So over here, you can see that publish settings is on the top. You can go around and change the domain according to how you want over here. So I'm just going to go around and say TutorTube website right here. And then what happens is that it'll update that site right here. But here it says a warning, updating the URL will break any external links and bookmarks of other users right here. So you can go around right here and change the settings according to how you want and click on save, and that will be changed out. You can go around over here and review changes and publish as well. So if you have done any changes, let's say for example, I'm going to go back. I'm going to delete this right here. So let me just add in an image carousel right here and click on select image. And I'm going to go around and select out some images right here. So let me just select these images right here. Let me click on insert. And let me just go around, select out an image right here again, and then insert out another image right here. Click on insert, and here you go. There's an image carousel, as you can see, which is going to be the update. And if you were to go around right here and click on review changes, then you will be able to see the draft right here on the left side on how it would look and how it previously actually looked right here. So you can view the before and after, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around and click on back right here. So this is what you have. So another thing that you can do is you can go around right here and you can also view the published site directly, and it'll take you to the website which has been published. So right now it's TutorTube website /home right here. And what you can also do is unpublish it. But what happens is that the site will no longer be live once you do that, and you lose the option of publishing settings over here as well once you unpublish it, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with the publishing settings and unpublished websites in Google Sites. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.